Hello everyone, this is Jimmy Singh, broker owner with Supermax Realty. Welcome to my channel Real Estate Edge with Jimmy Singh. In this video, I like to share the stats for the month of December 2025 for Mississauga, Ontario. So as per our real estate MLS board, we had in total 333 sales and average days on the market were 40. So if you see the historical data on your screen, you will see in total sales at the end of 2025 for Mississauga were 5,398 homes. At the end of 2024, Mississauga has in total 5,899 sales. So not much, but if you see the historical bar chart for the last 10-15 years, the peak sales happened in 2021. 11,303 homes that were sold. But if you see moreover 2015, 17, 13, 14, we have approximately 10 to 11,000 homes that exchange hands every year. So sales are down indeed. And since Mississauga is the second largest and populous city in GTA and sixth or seventh big city in Canada, so it is driven by a lot of condo sales. So if I see GTA, number one sales happens in Toronto. Second, maximum sales of condos happen in Mississauga because of the affordability and lot of other aspects. Lot of Fortune 500 companies are there. We have international airport located in Mississauga and lot of highways pass through Mississauga, making a very, very popular choice and strategic location for daily commuters who work in downtown Toronto. So at the end of 2025, average home price in Mississauga was hovering around $963,078, which was down 1.5% if I compare to December of 2024. Sales, they are up 15.6%. Active listings are also up 9.1% versus December of 2024. And total active listings at the end of December 2025 in Mississauga were 1,555. And let's start with condo apartment sales. So we have in total 89 condos that were sold in December, and inventory was sitting at 597 condos for sale. So there are a lot of pre-construction newer buildings. They are also competing. But this data is purely on MLS. Lot of builders, they don't list all their units to flood the market on MLS. So keep that in mind. Condo inventory will be more than that. So a lot of competition. Average purchase price or the selling price for condo apartment was $511,026 for the month of December, which is down 14.4% year over year, and it took roughly 46 days on average to sell your condo. So 14.4 is a big hit for a condo market, and it is expected because last 5-7 years, if you see, Mississauga is going vertical. There's no more land near city center, and all we are doing is making vertical buildings. And then if I talk about condo townhouses, we had in total 68 sales for the month of December 2025. Inventory sitting at 254 townhouses. Average sale price for a townhouse condo was $727,227, which is down 5.8% year over year. See folks, in pandemic frenzy, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, lot of pre-sales in Mississauga pre-construction condos were made to investors, and these units were smaller units, 500, 550, and lot of the couples or new immigrants, they want bigger space, and those units were sold to investors, and lot of them are now selling them. And obviously their choice for later movement is townhouse. At least you get a backyard and it's a decent space to raise the family. Now the third product we're going to talk about is semi-detached. We had in total 39 sales, and at the end of the month inventory was sitting at 113 listings. Average sale price was $914,159, which is down 10.7% versus December of 2024. An average days it took for a semi-detached home in Mississauga to sell was 32 days. Now let's talk about detached homes, which are very popular. We had 128 sales in detached. So a lot of folks have been waiting who want to move up from condo or townhouses for prices to come down. And I feel a detached market show lot of resilience in the month of December. Inventory is setting close to 554 active listings. Average price point hovering around $1.41 million for a detached house in Mississauga, which actually is up 1.2% versus last December of 2024. And days on market is 34 days. So here is my thoughts. 2026 will remain a buyer market in Mississauga, but good neighborhood which are desirable, close to shopping, transit, close to highways, they will remain popular for the first time buyers. And here is my predictions or thoughts. First time home buyers, they will gravitate or focus towards townhouses for a bigger square feet, price point give or take less than 800,000. Condo market again will be popular for a lot of first time singles or working professionals in the price point less than 550. These sales will definitely pick up, not the prices, the sales. And for move up buyers who are looking to move either from condo to townhouse, condo to detached, or from townhouse or semi to detached, they will be focusing to buy a property between 1 million and 1.5 million range. And the popular neighborhoods in Mississauga obviously remains Aaron Mills, which has popular mix of housing, all different sort, townhouse, condos, detached, and they have good reputed schools, strong sense of community. Another top neighborhoods, Streetville, Churchill Meadows, which has lot of parks, good schools, Cooksville, Square One has again lot of supply for condos and some mature detached properties as well. Port Credit also is very popular among a lot of young families. And Aaron Mills, again mature trees, lot of back splits in Applewood area as well, with lot of urban conveniences. So right now what is making our market taking a breather or feel like frozen for over 2-3 years is obviously from last year economy and labor market. So once they are on the solid footing, I expect sales to pick up, and slowly, gradually, when the inventory get absorbed in a year or two, we can see prices going up in Mississauga because of lack of land in key neighborhoods. For buyers in 2026, they will have lot of inventory, lot of supply, resale and new, lower prices, which will offer them better affordability and opportunity to negotiate. And I believe variable mortgages, which are hovering around now for insured close to 3.4, 3.5, and uninsured hovering around 3.8, 3.9, they will remain balanced or stable. And Bank of Canada, I am doubtful that they will do a rate cut early first quarter in 2026. For sellers, of course, they are facing lot of competition, longer time to sell, and it means they have to be strategic when pricing their property, and presentation and showability is the name of the game. So if you're in the market, interview agents, work with experienced agents who know what they're doing. And if you're planning to sell your house within next 1 to 2-3 months and want a free market evaluation what your house is worth, give me a call for a free on the phone evaluation. My number is 647-961-2639, so we can discuss the pricing, marketing plan and our fees to sell the property. Thanks for watching. I'll touch base soon.